Okay. Let's go. Good morning, folks. John Canode here from Long Beach, Florida. It is a chilly day this morning. And we are on our walk with Mr. Scout. He's pretty lively this morning. Just had a little meeting with one of his friends, so he's playful. Anyway, what is our plan today? This morning I'm going to modify a power steering bracket that came off of the 63 Ford F250 Project Green Bean. The last video shows at the end, it shows where I'm mounting an exhaust pipe and the power steering pump is in the way. So I've got to modify the power steering bracket so the power steering is free of the exhaust pipe. It won't take long, so we're going to do that this morning. Then we're going to head over to my son's house and try and get the exhaust put on Green Bean, and hopefully, you know, today or tomorrow get it to where it's running and we can drive it in and out of the shop. All right, so let's get the dog walked and get our day started. So hold it. All right, this is the power steering bracket off of the 63 Ford F250 that we are preserving, rebuilding, whatever. And I need to cut 2 inches out of it. So let's get started. The reason we have to do the spot welds first is so that we don't have metal warping, bending right at the joint where I'm welding because of heat. Because if I was to weld one side right away, it would have bent. It would have pulled into the weld and would have been bent like a banana. Now this won't happen because I've tacked it on both sides. So now we can go ahead and do the weld. Alrighty. That'll do, donkey. So now we're going to go ahead and blend it. All right, folks, got this bracket all fixed up, cut, shortened, modified, painted. Not a bad job. Let's get on over to my son's house and start working on, put it on the truck. Good morning, folks. John Canode here from Ormond Beach, Florida. We are here at my son's shop, and we are going to do some more work to the 63 Ford F250. I had to remove the power steering to modify the bracket so that this exhaust pipe, which comes out like this and goes out, comes out and curves down and goes down below the engine, would not interfere with the pump. So where's my, oh, here it is. It's a bracket. So we're going to go ahead and put this on and see if it does the trick now. Right, let's get our tool cart over on the side that I need it. Bump the camera stand. All right. Let's cross our fingers, folks, because they really only use kind of a visual to figure this out. Sometimes a tape measure just won't work. I got to tell you, when I was younger and working with my father in the garage and using tools to take parts and pieces, disassemble parts and pieces, we didn't have all these super battery powered ratchets and even air tools at that time. And I just every time I use one of these power tools, no matter if it's air or battery or whatever, I just can't help but think back of the days when we didn't have those, and didn't even concern ourselves with the fact that we had to hand wrench everything and use a hacksaw to cut a exhaust pipe instead of a battery powered sawzall. I love it. It's nice. It's great. And I'm just very thankful that we have those tools nowadays, because I can enjoy myself more, get the jobs done quicker, and enjoy it more. All right, what the hell am I doing here? Got off the subject. Took enough off. Power steering fluid all over freaking place. Shit's nasty. All right, let's go get the pipe and see if she fits. Pretty freaking close. All right, so I need to find me some nuts in my stash for these studs on the manifold. Let's go see if I can find what I need. Junk out of the way. All right. Let's see. Just a matter of finding the right size. Let's go see if that fits. Don't think so. I think it's too big. I don't know. Maybe. I think that. What do you think? I think that fits. All right, cool. It's one. Need three more. Ah. All right, folks. I'm gonna leave the camera here. Be right back. Even stainless nuts. Nice. I need a 11/16, I believe. These two nuts over here for this one. Yep. Definitely gonna have to do some work to this pipe flange. It's not sitting the way it should. Yep. You have to take the grinder and try and do a little bit of hand machining on this thing. Second here. Oh, I got another sander that'll do the trick. Belt sander.
Yeah, that's working.
That'll do, donkey. We now have a flat surface all the way around, whereas before we had a gap on the center on both sides of the pipe here. So that's now gone. We'll be able to install the pipe on the flange. Alrighty, let's stab this thing back in here. Still don't like it. Let's see here, man. What's going on? Oh. We got a bunch of junk on this one. Oh, that won't work. Okay, let me go get my wire wheel. Why didn't you tell me? It's right there. Constantly looking around for parts and pieces and tools. Alright, solved that issue. Make another stab at it. And there we go. Let's go get a smaller wrench. Won't fit on the bottom one, so we have to use a ring wrench. Oh yeah, that'll work. So definitely gonna have to do some milling on this top adjustment. But we got that great big mill right there. And we'll do a video on that too as well. Except I gotta wait for my son to come home because I don't know how to use the damn thing. Okay, what are we gonna do next? All right, folks, so what we gotta do next is work on this exhaust flange right there. It's a little buggered up. It's been drilled and the holes that are in it aren't big enough. So we're gonna go ahead and take a drill bit, the drill and the drill bit, and drill those out to 5/16 so that we can put a exhaust flange on there. Actually, it's called a coupler. All right, so we got them drilled. Now, I need to figure out See if we can't save this one. It's all beat up right there. Let's cut it first.
Now. Try something else.
Almost got it. Almost got it. All right, we're gonna try something else. Ha! Look at that. That worked. So we moved up a size. I'm gonna try it again. Should be the final blow. It's trying. Whoopsie daisy. Let's see if we can't straighten out this side with the same technique, huh? I think the answer to that question is a resounding yes, we can. Let's see if we can. You know, I try to tell my kids that their dad's a genius, but they never listen. They don't listen. Okay, good as new. See what kind of a fit we have here. I'm liking it. All right, so we got to go to the auto parts store and see if we can find some cheap pipes to stick on here. Let's go. All right, folks, so what we did was I went to the salvage yard and got this little dual system out of a BMW. It's all stainless steel. It's got a couple of turbo mufflers on it. This thing is going to work perfect. 40 bucks too. $40. That's what we want. All right, folks, so we're here at O'Reilly's and getting some pipe fittings to complete the exhaust system. I think we've got it. So let's make our purchase and get on out of here. All right, folks. So what we've got figured out here is this flange, this collector is going to fit on here on the manifold like so. And this guy is going to slip on the collector like so. So we're gonna have to cut this thing right about there. Which means all that work we did banging out that dent was a waste of time. Oh well, let's move on. All right, let's see how that works. Okay, do a little more. Rigging.
So we have to fit this on, like so. Where's... Alright, so we got it marked. I'm gonna go ahead and weld that puppy on.
It's gonna go see if it fits real quick. Be right back. So we just gotta go ahead and finish welding it. Looks like we got her pretty good. goes on there like that. Let's check it out. I think we'll cut that back up here and let this go all the way up. I'll raise this elbow up into the cab a little bit. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, folks, that's it. That's it for today. I'm whipped. Let's pack up and get on home.